Is your favorite piece of jewelry broken? Do your rings not fit anymore? Is your jewelry looking dull and tiresome? That's where we come in. We are Doltons Working Jewellers Ltd, the UK's #1 jewelry repair workshop, helping you get your jewelry looking back to how it should. As an award-winning jewelry repair workshop, we know every piece of jewelry means something to different people. That's why we will always treat your items as if they are our own. With over 40 years' experience, we are specialists in high-quality repair, maintenance, and restoration of your fine jewelry, be it a broken shank, a loose gemstone, claw damage, chain and clasp issues, or you just want your jewelry cleaned and polished or rhodium plated. We can also supply a set missing gemstones, from diamonds to sapphires, rubies to emeralds, and with a fast turnaround too. Simply fill in the submission form on our website and send your jewelry to us. We quote you for the work and you decide yes or no. Once we've completed the work, we will ring you for payment and return your items using our free secure postal return service. Visit www.doltonsjewellers.co.uk to start your repair today.